Yeah, sure, bafethu. It's your boy, it's a metal team, to metal. The phenomenal 7 okona mkhulu. We back with another banger. Yo, bafethu angazi ngithini. Kuningi bafethu namhlanje. Angazi ngizomintroduce kanjani lo you having a national treasure bafethu. Angazi ngizoyithini lento. National treasure, the one and only, and I don't think isazophinde yenzeke right. The only captain win a cup under 20. I2 season A1. Kosafa AFCON mfethu umuntu oshero onemedali ifana nikaSadio Mane uzomenzani but before bafethu siqala yonke isikhichilazi bafethu wanna say thank you for those who seen abalikeayo abacommentayo nabasubscribe and for those who haven't subscribed bafethu please touch that notification button or subscribe la bafethu and ngiye bafethu yazini thi introduce mfowethu mnandi thanks so much come on.
Next, sikhala siyaphambili.
Yeah, let's introduce mfowethu.
Bafethu mina nguPatrick Mujalefa Awutata, 20 years of age, khulile vele la extension 2 1426 Thokoza. Currently residing in Cape Town, dlalela Cape Town City.
Yeah.
And then njoba sekashila umfowethu skipper se national team under 20.
Yeah, he's a skipper a national team. So how is it njani kuba iskipper? Just kuba iskipper phela kuba iskipper bafethu.
No, obviously, very like mawibheka from afar umnandi but then ne pressure. I understand that because men lead by example. And abantu ba leader is not just any ordinary people. Abomfundo vilakazi, abokudlana lehlako, people who've made a name for themselves, yabo. And for me enough, umuntu ongaziwa ngaleyo ndlela leyo, you know, it's motivation for me but there's always going to be pressure in terms of being a skipper say national team, understand.
So before siyaranja bathi siqale kahle ngifuna siqale 1426.
Yeah.
Siqale kahle because of kasi ke leka Patrick maybe ababhaba bacaba la kalifa as nami bengicavu lifa then Patrick silazi vele me masewu mabia stages empilweni so siqala kanjani like us.
No, like us vele mayisuka ngiqale ngina 6 time alarm le ababugajini iqala la from like since ngidlala like us ngidlala kubabugajini
umuntu ongaqina but leli la mi please
no basic ngifunde lapha basic and then angiyalibonga la time le because from a young age angidlalisa nabantu abadala I mean ngidlala under 17 ngina 12 izinto ezinjalo understand so ngiyambonga too much ngiyambonga
babugajini like vele wonke umuntu vele akekho umuntu coach ozoklima guess babugajini so uthi KZU and uqala how many years kona 6 years why then you had to move vele obviously ine impact edlalwe yabazala babugajini I guess let's say endlini bayiqala kanjani lento bayithatha serious football from you.
Ikhuluma nami bedlala ibhola time lami bedlala ibhola but time lami khabatha ama injury so bayabona endlini ukuthi le phuma elibuya late esibengeza nebhola yena uGrand understand and uMacrisa bekangayifrestani lento le because angidli mfethu but nangifuna ukuba namajinja ngaphandle I understand but time laba lento ukuthi out me kuzokhula so kube nento ukuthi khona ama tournament besadlala eprimary and then khona icoach yase Rovers yang scouter from there and then yaqala la into yami ukuba serious understand ila ngizochifta khona ku TKZ so from Rovers ngadlala 4 years.
How old were you Maya Rovers?
Bengina 11 bengina 11 because dlale under 12 under 13 under 14 under 15
so academy football uqale ku Rovers at the age of 11 you too well groomed most
singasho
kanjalo so after ku Rovers wenza kalanda next stage yakona why up after Rovers because of udlalile it's a big club na Rovers and they develop ama player amabhaya elokushi especially ama player like us kakhulu mama papa abadlalile ku Rovers baningi singababala so after ku Rovers uyava
mangisuka la nginga like intenze ukuthi ngichiefde la ukuthi le coach being frustana you achieved na understand so lezi business khona la bekwabantu nje bagcwalisa amanamba bola sal enjoy so ngachiefda ngayi Albertine FC
okay mafika Albertine
mangifika ngadlala 3 years 2-3 years ngisekho sure and then wafika izinto zama lockdown kumele siye China for i-tournament and then lapho bese ngisho ukuthi hayi ngiyaliyeka mfethu amathuba makumele avuleke fika ama covid nani so ngavele ngawumoya ngathi hayi ngiyaliyeka
so wathi silungise Albertine ku Rovers bokhipha abazali bazikhiphela imali vele awazi walibhadalile
to this day time la malikaze la ngibhayi Cox ama-Cox ngiwathola from abantu ayintwana imnadi understand and bazonginika nje i-Cox nyana engaspani ngincenge nami abantu base-Rovers willing ukuthi bangilande endlini
babuyisele
and then bangidrope off so time lami naye bekangana
stress into ukuthi okay khona into ephumayo but ngabe bayifuna something beyazokhipha
sure definitely
so makumele uye China kwenzakalani
kuyaba tough nyana because ama-funds you understand kumele si-raise ama-funds ngama-donation nani of which siyesasipana grand understand ne-time liyadonsa emholweni kancane noma-grease abo how makumele sihambe izinto zama-covid manje so and i-covid iqale khona eChina you understand so lapha yabize ngamandla kwaba into yokuthi hayi masingayila ngiyaliyeka ngiyaliyeka because besodlala nama-academy ashaka yabo Arsenal Man City ngiyaremember ne-Juventus bese group inethu yabo izinto ezishaka so thema kuvale kanje lelo thuba lelo hayi ngavele ngaphela umoya
so after i-covid obviously ama-club nanani ahlukana and ngayiba khona endlini baki-encourage ta ungayeki mfana ubonile bekuseduze ilayiti beyikhona so abazali baki-encourage kanjani thintana ungayeki because of it uthi wena you felt like you have to like ngiyayeka lento
i-already bekahleza push i-agenda yesikela already bengifuna mina ngesikela i-time ayena time ngifuna ukungibona ngidlala ibhola understand so ngithe bangimtshela ukuthi amfethu uyabona amathuba yavaleka ngiyaliyeka athi kimi mfethu ungali sasemncane bengina 15 at the time so izinto za 5 years back athi cabanga amathuba azozwakala in the next 3-4 years understand so kwaba into ukuthi ayazi keep fit ekasi namajit understand so ngadlala ekasi
nama-tournament e-covid la uzifihla ngokuthatha ama-net
yabo kufika amasoja manje ground
so wadlala wabuyela Albertine
sangibuyela Albertine
so after Albertine FC wayapi nyama
abe sengiliyekile
so ngidlala la ekasi
singidlala la ekasi ngiyageleza ngidlala la ekasi and then yabona into okuhlala ekasi ayikho sharp sometimes because ngiyaqala ukwenza into ezirong yabo singibhema intsango bhema pipe too much manje understand like ibottom ya like us
so body
understand
ne-influence iningi into enziwa manje
yabo and then khona i-coach bengicoach ku-Albertine coach Thabo waya ku-Joburg City but mina bengingazi ukuthi ula so mina ngibona i-poster ku-Instagram e-Joburg City but banama-trial ama-open trial for GDL under 19 so mina ngafaka la izinto zami aba-approve basend i-SMS ukuthi mfethu siyaku-invite azwakala kanti mangifika la uzothola u-coach Thabo vele athi coach Thabo mfethu wena ungatrial imela one side manje yazi into ezinamangama la zinamapolitiki yabo so but asifuna ukumbona lo mfana lo obvious ngashaya isipani bangisayina nini ngaku-Joburg City.
How old were you there?
Maybe ngu-matric ngina 18
so yonke lento le esikhuluma ngayo like yenze in a space of 2 years uceda uyeka ibhola uyatrial amaceda la uJoburg City udlala minutes
ngidlala season phela khona ngicedanga season
then TS Galaxy came so TS Galaxy uya kanjani wena la ubani okufonelayo like isinwebele yona njalo indlala esizwe
so sidlale i-home game e-Greek Sporting Club ngisaku-Joburg City against the TS Galaxy bashaya 3-2 but basizwile I understand and then coach Poop manje uSundowns coach under 19 squad sabondosi leso squad leso under 19 wathi kimi impressed but then khona izinto afuna ukuzibona kwi-game yami kumele ngi-improve nani understand okay ngithi mina okay sharp akunankinga and then siyodlala i-engine sibhekane nabo futhi from there awungitshela the same thing mfethu kumele usebenze kulezi zinto lezi nani so i-time yami scheme angazi if namazi uTebo Mgweno Antana uthi time yami too much yabo obviously nawudlala professional so khona abantu abacavayo i-out ka Antana uEsam Mthweni coach under 19 ye-TS angisho uphupho uhambile kusandana afone nathi mfethu nentwana isona so manje lapho unfit mfethu solo nje isigela nanani yabo so bang invite for ama trial bajimele eGomora safe hub so ngifike la mangifika ngiyabona uyabona ukuthi hayi la ufike emabhozeni la intensity yalentwana lezi uyazibona adlaleli nje amapapa yajima lapha so before ngizocala ngitshele coach mina kahle ngisase busy ngama prelim was ngesikhathi sama prelim vele yabo ngimtshela ucoach ukuthi cela ukuthi unginike nje iviki I understand ukuthi ngijime nawe and then if you impressed ungisign but ngicela ukudlala after ama final because ngifuna ukupusha ngicela indaba yami esikele avume abe impressed kube nama friendly lana la abe impressed ucoach hayi ngisayine kanjalo ke TS Galaxy
so ne-TS Galaxy awudlalanga nesizini
ngicitanga
shito yonke into yakho wena nje amahafa yoba basheshe bawontile umntomela hami so TS Galaxy wadlala wakumela bazoceda la isigela
yakumela
shito ngithi bawubona ukujima wenza yonke into nabo but then bofocus kakhulu esigela because of my ufuna isigela so bolu kudlala lawo ma friend ujima nabo mara
yazi kuyenzakaleni le week le bangisayina ngalo angisho sivumelene no coach ukuthi uzongidedela ngicede ngesikele Saturday yakhona ekseni afune mfethu ngifuna eClephem coach sikhulumile mos ukuthi kumele ngicede ngesikele nanani da ngiyashota so kumele strive ngetime esePitori sidlala neSundowns first game ashe Sundowns asenzele ezinye izinto le day basha 5 and basha 5 kanje ayinama yiki into engidlalile la I understand coach le ayi demanding so sekuyizinto zokuthi okay nabo abantu abazothola ama clearance Monday mangithi ngiyabheka list nami ngikhona how ndothi uqeda ukungisayina manje sengizothola clearance nje kanjalo kube tough but at that time ngifuna i-tax offer scholarship nani so I need to get time mina mfethu asekwi-tax I understand ayithame lami ayilingithukile mfethu endleleni ebuyele endlini mfethu so nizoba igwala kanje udlala amanga bese ufuna ukuhamba mfethu at le out le ngeke ikurelease wena vawusha ispa khohle afuna labantu be-tax abatshela hayi mfana lo siya decline offer siyabonga and then kube into ukuthi hayi awubaleki wena uyabuyela la so ngibuyele la ngithola ifitness yami awungimangala following season yakhona which was last year early last year sengiskipa manje under 19 Galaxy mina le out le sesigrand no
ngapha ucishe uthola clearance
cishe ngithola clearance after first game so sesigrand manje
so mawuba iskipa la so uthola ididing because of khona bona last year no the Cape Town City came knocking club from Cape Town Trinity, one of the biggest clubs is now football in South Africa. It came knocking. What's the feeling? And they offering you a first team contract.
Angishasha mina bengijabulile yabo because ibhola kuTS Galaxy enjoy ku under 19. TDC mangifika la azange enjoy ibhola la because abo coach abafana and the style of play angesude wena. If wena udlala ngendlela so and coach ufuna leyo ndlela leyo mina because uphaka bekadlala ngama channel understand it from under 19 thina sibelieve ukulibamba I understand so izinto ezingihlalise benchini lezo amajita nabo ashaya channel nani so uyavuka ekseni awukho motivated for ukuthi ejimini uyazi ukuthi amfit when ushayisa akukho yogijima lezi ezinye ziyaspana understand ngelinye ilanga ekseni ejimini goalkeeper coach first team yangibuza ukuthi ngine ID ngithi sure athune passport ngidayi passport angayishaya but shoot wena uye Lesotho first camp under 20 shoot angiye Lesotho angina passport and then lapho kuyenzakala ukuthi okay siye campini ngitshela coach national team esho mina passport yami but sengishayile ngishaye absa lapha eJozi yabo bathi okay asithembe ukuthi masibuye eLesotho sobiza futhi yabo amasehlala emthandazweni manje endlini ukuthi mfethu bangibize nani okay ngibizwe for a second camp ilesi siyakhosafa manje mabaqeda ukungibiza ngelinye ilanga nje sishama pre-match agreements ngoba siyodlala ifriendly khona lapha eFanville la sikhempela khona khulu into ukuthi bathi uGuy Patrick yabo so nami ngisukumisa isandla bathi stand up bathi from today you'll be leading this group
highway
aphuma nje kanjalo ucoach okay so mangibuya mina after COSAFA ngithe ukuthi at least uPark uzobabonile ama game nyana I understand uzobe impressed nana into echinchi ngaleso sikhathi ngenhlanhla ama agent anokha manje anokha ama agent Basha PNM Sports SM Sports Pro Sports so mina ekhuleni kwami ngidlale nalentwana uShandra
Shandra Campbell
from under 11 mangifika Grovers ngidlale kuma district teams itime lakhe netime lami nabo ba close so kenze ukuthi ngithola phone call from i-agent kaShandra but ngingazi mina ukuthi agent yasha so angitshela umntwana ukuthi aphendule agent yami yabo and then phendule set up ama meeting ngisign la azange ngishine 2 weeks sengifuna iSuper Sport iStelizzi neCape Town City iSuper Sport bathi banama player good kuleyo position but then into ukuthi mina ngizoba for squad depth yabo and mina bengifuna ukudlala because kuthi yes bese ngingadlala understand ngifuna game time uStelizzi offer be right but obvious mina ubheke nasekhaya ukuthi kunjani I understand so izaka bengavuma I understand and nayo Cape Town City afika ngeoffer sharp and then ngathatha bona ke from there bese ngazi ukuthi okay after COSAFA ngisayinile ngiyazi okay
so when uyela ku Galaxy so signing
angasa
uyela nje sebezwa ukuthi okay mfethu into umuntu osona so uza ne offer sona
ngiyela sengiqeda ukuthola agent
so agent yakho gave them i-writing ukuthi okay mfethu lo muntu uyafuneka endaweni sona so they demanded something from Cape Town City normal they just gave away clearance.
No, it's Galaxy. Yo, teams ukazi ufune something. Ufune something. Mangifika mina. So ngisayine October after COSAFA. And then ngiye Cape Town ngithuza ngaJanuary. And then mangifika bangitshela ukuthi ngesikwazi ukuregister manje. Let's hope ukuthi because ku DDC akwazi ukudlala ama team ayi2 season 1. Understand? And bese ngidlalile mina
Galaxy
yabo. But ngenhlanhla i-transfer yami yenzeka nge-transfer window ye-PSL, you understand? So bathi let's hope ukuthi uSukazi mfethu uzoyenza into right. But then i-chairman yethu noSukazi from Dala vele, you understand?
So they did the right thing for you.
Yeah, apparently bekunemali kumele ibhatalwe uSukazi via transfer kanyama from Galaxy to City. Yeah, bayilungisa kanjalo indaba yakhona angazi ukuthi bayiqede kanjani.
So mawufika nje sohlangana ne-first team contract uyasign and that went viral because wonke umuntu ekasifika icava riding mfethu even abo Thabiso mfethu everywhere Instagram nani but ke ikasi nathi ajabula masibona abantu abanyala I guess ezinabo ubona mazocala iAFCON since vele sonke si consistent into esenza ukuthi sibhekelele okay watata thina simuntu wasekazi ukwenzakalani i-national team okay sayifavor yonke but then sinalento lokuthi mangadlalanga why yabona kunamalento le so mawuyara wena ne you see njobo ya good riding COSAFA Cup no ngithi so yiwinile i-riding i-COSAFA mayiwina COSAFA udlala nabo bani kahle la mawuthi mangihlili la ngihleli ngisecampini ngibheka ngithi ngibheka izinja
da rooms are very Shandra because
from
Dala vele from
so Dala. Okay ngifuna sicale lapha before sisa la khona uCOSAFA so Shandra Campbell outside and he's doing very good that side and over no recently mafika serenze sibukwani sekadla riding nje ku Champions League uzwa nje impintsha yakho what says to you nika riding le
me fit young motivator because suke sonke you understand and the obvious indlela zethu ngezifana I understand ungabhayi Porsche manje mina ngithathe 3 years ukuthi ngithole le Porsche le understand so iyangimotivate and then nakhona untwana uyasho na ukuthi angifethu mina bekuyinhlanhla yami eyakhiyeza wena aqhubeka uSpar I understand so I'm fit lo dlala how many games 11 games ku club next
wo leader squad so what happened Mount up there I want to assume okay him captain at the club I have to lead by example and I'm leading abantu inuchisa abana ma contractor amakhulu and they big in their teams the likes of Mfundo Vilakazi Kutwani Lutlaku Mbikizeli Mbokazi uyayibona le Henry Campbell moma lapho uthini ku
same day ngiyakhumbula lelanga leliya angivele ngafole time lami ijabulile mara kayifike pressure ifika demon I understand emfethu lalibomfundo ngoba icreate ajwami ngitshela awakhethanga ngemistake coach ubonile into ayibonile understand wena ungamprove otherwise understand so nami eziskipper ngifuna ukuzenza ngcono yabo kube into ukuthi ngenza izinto because ngazi ukuthi nama benefits okuba iskipper ngifuna nami ukuthi amajita mangibona ngenza into right bakhuthaza nabo ukwenza into right understand and ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi igama lisho nini at the end of the day dlala so understand ngidlala in country one so mina nje ukurivera amajita yenza i role yami understand ngidlala nabantu abala understand ayibhola understand so ngizofika nje change room sometimes uzofika ngingazi ukuthi ngithini na change room kusukuma umbokazi mina asuka umbokazi akhuthaza amajita because kusuke kanaplan manje asazi senza njani asinamaqhinga or kusukume enye out yami iskimile uBen Khomlimo Kekana kusukume yena avela khulume naye understand so bayenze be easy but then ikhona le level of respect ukuthi lesi skipper lesinjani nami ngiyaba respect ukuthi manje ngoba iskipper uzokutreat as inferior and then nana
so nje ukuthi ikhosafa ne first game ngiyena la change room because of your kingdom obvious ama-team wala ikhosafa it's not that strong so you playing in a nonke vele bemanika yonke into yonke into benefits abenwina fana ukuthi nje it was a training inapha because maybe ngibona ngakhona elo amagame endo yonke tough but then when nzenze izinto zibe difficult manje change room then iscore lesisithi nini kuwe kuthini because of we leader and now obviously unalento uthini ngiyayifuna lento le ngiyalifuna le cup leader obviously mongena there's days New York bizayo maybe boardroom athi not Australia kunje na kanje iplana kanjani
obviously kunezinto ekuthiwa complacence yabo mawubona ukuthi okay thina stronger than any team there so ufuna overcomplicate izinto nani so sometimes amajita noba overcomplacent maybe babuyise kancane mhlawumbe bathi ukuthi size ngesibani and after like first game bidlala eMalawi sine 5 but then after ukuthi score 2-3 sesibona ukuthi okay la singathela na10 la understand amajita sewafuna abantu ba overcomplicated so maybe ukhole to all umjita mfethu mancane siyaphambili nase change room coach unokufika nje late ucoach obvious mele ngisukume nami ngikhulume understand because sometimes na ucoach umuntu so akazi nami ukuthi uzothini izinto ezinjalo and that's when nami irole yami ingena khona ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuzisponsor coach
so simple so first game 5 Malawi ngihleli mangiqeda ukuwina ngene ebhasini senithi CCT ngibatshelana ukuthi bafethu sale indlela yale road to one mark
thina kahlahle mandate yethu masifika la thina besitshela ukuthi bafethu ukuthi benzakala nasinana but sifuna ukufika ku-final because automatic qualification afco understand so first game Malawi 5-0 second game Lesotho 6-0 third game Comoros 2-0 asikaconcede and then from there accent final dlane angona
angakutshela
1-0 toughest game yethu we-Angola semi-final sine 1-0 la bengiqala ukubona izinja zami abushande labo abukhumulimo Kekana sikungalapha because uBen ngiyazi Ben rithwashwa inhlise boy understand uyathela uyaphula makathi uBen
yabona
hayi manje uBen makazothi kahle futhi hayi manje hayi because besazi mfethu sithola uBen uyaphula thina sibe nenhlanhla because every ushaya mfethu lo muntu lo yamfethu futhi
out of this way
mfethu lo muntu uneplan unokushaya uzibuza ukuthi la I love force understand mara ngiyasho ngenhliziyo ngithi abamaziyo bazosho ukuthi if beyenzake into afuna ukuyenzakala
bese khonile
lo muntu uyakora amanye ama-crack ngakhosana nto uzibuza ukuthi ufike kanjani understand so semi-final sine-1 mili finally okay sesijabulile manje final siqualifyile for AFCON
ngitshele sifuna ukuthi nasebhasini ngifuna le feeling ukuthi ngisuke eKMD ngene ebhasini ngiyodlala ifinal mawungena nje change room noma manje ungena ebhasini ngicula wena kuwe kuthini ngaphakathi thini uyilanda lento lena noma
angekushashane kodwa man thina bese singalanda ngosiyabu bese sinalento ukuthi qualify for AFCON bese ifuna masifike change room ayachinchi manje so ngabathela abajithi ukuthi what's the point ukuthi sifike manje sohlulela la sesifikile ngosasithathele I understand asingene sithole 2 goals first half lead second half mayiqala still 2-0 hey last 15 ayizambia kokota manje and the Mozambique kushisa nomoya heat wave nje mfethu yashisa eMozambique and yabona amazambia ayijwayele heat and the same day bengidlala right back in the final because uTimba la Chiefs yaba ne hamstring so ngasukunisisa ngathi ngizoyimela right back so la imuva wami nebhodi elibamba isikhathi ngithi mangithi 75 minutes ukhiyasi yaphusha emfethu sichase yo ayihlisa isikhathi mangi 76 hayi
ayisinawo
isikhathi kenzakala
nalomo
bekifiwe lapha yo lapha bekifiwe but uNkulunkulu bekanathi sayowina belikhosafa
sayimoyokuka lento mfana moyokuka lento noyizizwa ke yabona kasiphakamile manje ekuka because even na video yakho leyo post la yayibona moyilanda lento nyakubona so excited so jilile nyakwanda 20 iAFCON so obviously nama chop and changes amaningi masisika AFCON change indawo change ukwenza awazi bangabiza urile this time bangabiza abantu ama unders na so mabayobiza bayakhola lapha isquad bongathuka
angifuni nje angisho yabona mospanile uhappy nespan sakho ufake 100% if awubizwanga at least uyazi ukuthi uzazile wahlukile we understand so ngazi ngishaya ispan and if angizwa ngishaya kahle ngahluleka I mean ngidlale i-right back ku-quarter final eKosafa ngadlala i-right back ku-final center back ngidlalile kuma-preparation game so babonile ukuthi kwi-play one baphethe ama-player 3 they understand so bengihappy ngesipani engishaya
yabona ukuthi into yakho ishayile
so ukuthuka ngengishashaya bengathuka
njena so mababiza isquad yiwe nabovana
behlenge time la ngisibona ku-football stage ngicela uku-refresh page la ku-Instagram football stage nani igama lami khona la mari preliminary kusamele chopha
ama-plans chopha
tema lami liyangitshela futhi kumele sithandaze ngithola because they are believer uThabelo tema lami liyathandaza too much yabo so ngimtshele mfethu angifethu relax you understand nangispanile la so khuleka
as long as we preliminary
ngikhuleka mina iphuma final squad thokuthi ngikhona la
so ngitshele phela isquad senu besingasafanisa eKosafa aboshembe abasekho abombokazi abasekho because of ama-team abo noma abathi angeke baba sibhizi ngalabanye nabo ngapha ke umbokazi sekayilento Pirates phela naye nje nge-space of 2 games nje ngokulahla ubani uRevero phansi so seyonke siyabashisela abajita aboshembe ngale sikadlala ku-Champions League abasamniki nayo tayi baba phela wena siyakunila ngale sakudinga vele wenze something ngco so isquad asafani sekuchintshile awunakuthuka
hayi because ama player ngiyawathemba understand okay obvious Akuthuka but i-doubt. I understand ukuthi bengazi mina mfethu because bedlala nga-double anchor. I understand yimi nobheka. Mina nga-left. Ngiphethe umbokazi bayangitshela abafuna khavi. Yima wena lapho kumele umu-collect. I understand.
Umsebenzi uphelile.
And makajika sengizoshaya izandla ngiya-receiver ngiyathenga. Because angikhavi uthi ngingakhavi ispan sami siba easy. So ngibala lento ukuthi so lahlela abantu la left. Phethe uCV wena le unkwali. Angasha ispan boy. Ngibone ngama preparation masifika e-Egypt. Hayi. No bese ngibona i-confidence besevuma ukuthi no
manje
yeah no siyabuya.
Siyabamba first ngidala nama-African nama-host.
Yeah.
Egypt kumnyama bawo. Kumnyama ngishayela inamba ethalelini kumnyama anizwakala
masiyehle ebhasini bashaya opening ceremony nani so khala le music yakhona okay siyachinja bashaya ama-culture ba-check ama-accreditation and then kuyaphuma mayishaya inamba siyacula mara sizwakala masifika la ethanelini ngithi mfethu ama-laser kanje mfethu ama-laser emehlweni stadium sigcwele mfethu ngiyasho ngendlela nayo i-atmosphere esifunayo motivation but at the same time worried because how angistart angazi ngiyenzeni wrong but coach vele wachinja nje play awangisa-start ayingishayile leyo psychologically because ingafuna anytime angamtshela mfethu singishayile mfethu understand amtshela ngicabanga nokubuya because time lami mina lingincedile mfethu mentally because if bekungasibuye mfethu izinto ezibhali mina ngaba ngikho nje la mfethu yabo so lithi time lami mfethu ungabi selfish odlalile ngosikhosafa ngoyiskipa happy maye ngombench game once ufuna ukubuya sonke lesipani
so nalapho game leyo
at all at all angifakanga ucoach and manje nami ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi coach ngenzeni understand naka explain but obviously I'm expecting but at least ngitshele ukuthi improve ukuthi okay uduka yena ushaya into le ngcono than wena so wena improve kulento le ukuthi okay open board iphule and then sobona ukuthi
senza kanjani
understand coach angatsho mina zithi
skipa sekhanda leso siqale bench
ayakshaya into engishayile kakhulu le because I went from playing every game in fact because every game
to start at the bench
not even start bench 90 minutes in fact
ngiyacabanga la mara bachita bawini
no shy
first game nile na iluza then now it's win our win
second game bangomapa ngibheka isikhathi la ithi 88 angiwumoya manje the tournament akusiyami bangifaka futhi mangicela ukuthatha le paper leli bhala kula masaba ngibuza i-photo official ukuthi mfethu kusebenza bathi ayishayile manje why ngile ngishayile mfethu i-photo official engeno referee mfethu athi mfethu uqede makaqeda ukuyithatha at least I touch from there ngaba nalento ukuthi okay
mara ngizolithola
yabuye manje
siyoshabala wenza kanjani ngicela washaya igoli elihle ngeWorld Cup
athi yabuye manje Sierra Leone third game ama-group stage angena second half time really saya extra time ngathola ini-assist at least lento ngaba ne-confidence nami ayibonile coach ukuthi khona engiyenzile right
and after that vele besoyithola game time yana noma 15-20 minutes
and then wathi yabheka manje nangi-anchor but ngidlalile ku-center back ngidlalile ku-left back i-right back sengidlala i-10 phela manje and angimayi because isipani sangishaya isipani understand ucoach udlalisa ku-10 so ngenhliziyo ngiyasho coach mara ama-position amangaki ngadlalayo now
coach une-planning na
like coach mfethu
and obvious mawungena Kumele kuyiskipa vele.
Hayi. No, yazi time lami ngitsheleni izolo lathi sometimes ukuba humble kakhulu akuncede. Kumele uede leyo arrogance nyana ku game yakho. So bebazi ndabangena melelise. You understand? Abengaliceli nanabe kumele
lize yakhe into yakho. Ayonikiwe batheli la ufika yini.
Yeah.
So mawufika la okay after first game cela ukuluza ni. Amathemba siwanjani?
Thulile ngathi ufuna umuntu mfethu change umfethu akunamuntu okhulumayo. Nami nje izinto zami ziyangina mfethu angidlalanga mfethu.
Ngaphandle wena kunakuthi uzomotivate abathi
abo coach nabo ba stress mfethu. Hayi spirits basiqeda ukujima second ilanga lakhona sesajima after. Hayi wonke umuntu right hayi ngiyabona spirits sharp siyabuye manje. From that nje solo siyaphezulu.
So you qualify to the 16. The 16 in Abanani. The spirits and Zizi high is in Yabona and Zizapambi. The 16 in Kabawan. And I don't think we are the most promising or what. But then the squad is and we got 18 Amanda talks.
Yeah.
Being Amanda talks, but then I was to go Amanda talks and go to Benicosaf. So you are there to compete.
Yeah. It's how it's healing. Now, when it's motivated, La Paya Mania, they are play 26. Squads, I'm play 26. Tina Sisa Valentina, registration, I'm a player. Nama Inja. My player 12, I'm a camping. I'm a so we see 19. See 19, Yeti Pella, Ababa, team, Ababa 19. Bonka Mani Pella by 26. Disadvantage, I'm a player Katala. Every day is a charm, ice bath, and Lamanta have burned. You understand? But yes, motivated and do the good fit. The one quarter final was really shy. Spangman. Same final was with Lega and Kona. Mele was Lega, and the same final game. Yakona, Ibe a mama games game of Kona, a color from hotel because skipping and Nigeria. Hotel really well. And it's not in Nigeria. So, Spoon again, we elevator, CIS, I see passing. There's just one elevator. About 4 minutes again. Push a large if you time. Like Chela, okay. So, he gave me a same final Canada from Blow.
And Nigeria, Mamma games. You want pets and Mamma games.
Too much. Must school as you show up. In failing to I was given things that I like. Snani or Lini and as now failing to as good as paying
Play against Nigeria, also like you choose Nigeria, keep a national team. Yeah. So it's in the lady, Nabo Kukano Club. Nomfundo Vilavazi, Ndomkulu lapha Chiefs and ngaleso sikhathi leso ngidlala i-semi final ngidlala i-final in NNB. Hayi nani ngidlala i-semi final. Ngitshele uthini yini maqeda ukubona uTayo futhi mina ngayisengithathile sengiyilwayo.
Uthe yena ukuthi if kenzeka ukuthi because uyabona kulama dabi la adlulile Chiefs uhlulile. Understand? Athi Chiefs my winner la. Nathi winner. I understand. I Chiefs abanenhlanhla awini.
Ungasimini inhlanhla wenzani manje? Yabashaya, khuluma kahle.
Lapha ufike Chiefs.
Yabashaya.
Lapha ufike Chiefs.
Yabona.
Mara inhlanhla.
Sai football akunanhlanhla ebholeni mfethu. Qha.
So utwana vele maqeda usho kanjalo.
Khona lento bekayicula phela bekathenda lapha kuma TikTok. Ushita ama view nani binhleli nayo bakabhekile lokho.
Yeah, mara besokola because DStv ayikhulu. Nale eplay SABC what ayikhulu. Masifuna ukubhekelela ku score 808 abaveza ama game wasemzansi. Abaveza ama game wase Europe. So mina sibhekile ngeFacebook. Facebook yenza ama minute ay 34 ama advert. You understand? Thina sesibona Google ukuthi 2-1 Chiefs ya lead. Sibona ukuthi korebani nani I celebrate le out here. You are.
Kanjalo phela hotela ngimanyeleyo.
Yeah, lezi Chiefs. And the match up i-DDC nayo ino-Chiefs.
Could you win it like
Yeah, no-sifile lezi Chiefs lapho. No, basipilani ndamanje.
Abantu batshela abafana bomninzwane
Yo, hayi, Chiefs.
Since sesina zonke lento lezi and bakhumbule sebana ma-1-1 sebabalile. Yazibani khosafa manje.
Yeah, I'm torn team. So match the Chiefs nje athole 3 yamagoli kodwa Khosafa, DDC, AFCON. Uthole umfundo yena Khosafa ngekangekho. So in DDC, AFCON, ne-Nedbank.
So take me back to the Nigeria. Abantu pusha kuma-league abantu nyangena.
Yeah.
Maniyacula nhlangana ney'ntuthu. Like seyisenjani atmosphere abo coach bathini?
No, siyaziphila ukuthi lenzakalani la because ngizwa uBen athi kimi ntwana mmeli akawayimela no. Umzimba soyasinda bese igrade wasisuke sigrade hotel. Hayi ntwana never get hot ntwana. Ben baba.
Sabalanda.
Ben baba.
Shona
kuqina Ben mfethu because abafethu aya minister bafethu. No. Kuli abafethu
ngikhala mfethu.
Yeah, neya.
Hayi ababayike kanye.
Masingena nje. Ayi. Sisawa nje nina handshake mayizoqala igame sisawa nje kwabamba. Sazi ukuthi sothi mfethu. Abathime sidlale sibe nenhlanhla sithole ihilo lapha. Yiyo le hilo lesifilisi nje. Sawula lena.
Final
manje.
Back to square one. Khosafa Cup, Beating Cup, Simphambili. Mawufika lapho Ana wasangitshela ngomadala ukuthi umadala nganokuthila utswaye esilondeni.
Mfethu awuthili mfethu. Namanje mahlangana inkulumo kuseyangezinye izinto nje.
Ibhola
nje kuphela. Sifostanele ibhola.
But then ngiyayibona ipotential na and uyayibona lento lento. Even nawe manje usuyayibona lento ayilwilayo ukuthi bheka manje masikhuluma uye kuphela encwadini ezinkulu. Nakusasa noma ungathini bayazi ukuthi skipper nani yonke into iphelele.
Obvious masikhula mfethu yazibuza ukuthi mfethu mara waba strict kanje kakhamba. Because nami ngifuna ukukhula njenge typical teenager mfethu ngifuna ukuhamba inkwari nami ngifuna experience izinto ezinjalo. Le yami ayifasa lento leyo mfethu. Amachita mfethu siyenkwarini iskipper ama 6 clipper khambani mfethu on le yami izokutshela mfethu angizokunika i6 clipper mfethu. Kumele sihambe ntwana utopa amakhulu. And the time I'm nishanga mana exercise mfethu yakutshela mina ngidinga amabhola ntwana utopa amakhulu ayi3 siya lapha e-stadium e-Edinburgh. Ngijuluke into mfethu. Angijulukise la uthi le mfethu. But ngiyambonga mfethu. Ngiyambonga because manje yabona ama sacrifice phela ithema lami by strength yakhe for ukuthi ngizothola izaka yobejini because bese ku tough no mangidlala ku DDC eGalaxy via izinto ze transport nani bese ku tough so untwana bekumela shaya ama decision naye amanye nje a strong understand abhayisa trans noma kriza ngapha naye kumele sacrifice izinto ezibhanga understand let's why njengoba ngisho ukuthi banokucela nje obvious angeke bacela ibe yiningi leyo mali uzocela i50 nani yabo so nami ngizoba leyo 50 rand leyo engisenda ngifaka umunye u0 nami batshengisa impress u0 ngemistake mara nani understand
so into to uyavala na but then it's benefit of being a parent who has been there the idea ezincane bakwenzela zona baludlile mawulimele bayenza into eziright like they've been there for you sonke lesikhathi so vele kahle the aim is to say nje yes umntana am successful and ufuna riding there and it's not like bacela or they want you to pay them back. It's just that they're thinking ukuthi ngumzali ayishuthi ngiyashona should ngicela intonyana leyo but then being there and namhlanje ba proud I guess noma hamba nala start ngabe yangayo yabiyazenze ngabe le medal yayifaka endleleni mina wami umntana une AFCON ngibonise nowenu la ithokozo ne AFCON uyayithola neKhosafa ne AFCON ahleli kuwe maybe ilala nangawo lapho ukuyawabheka mayivuke kuseni nyawa brush into zomntana
no mina ngiyababonga but angeke ngibonge abazali bami kuphela bakhona abanye abazali along the way
uhlangane nabo
understand nama coach yabo abukatsheni time lami mfethu ngiyambonga mfethu yabo le coach yami yaku TS Galaxy under 19 nayo umunye uchinche nje ibhola lami mfethu walisa on another level you understand so baningi abantu engibabongayo mfethu understand bazali ama coach engisipane nabo over the years but all in all mfethu mina time alami
Mile ngetime hayi lizoyibona nayo riding ukuthi into enhle kula appreciate kangakanani yayithola
and indaba yabona ioledi ngasumuntu webhola mfethu ioledi mina njengoba ngisho bekafunda ngesikole understand ithe mangitholi i-national team call up wabona ukuthi okay lezi zinto ziserious understand
yahlanga
because ngingashaya agreement naye ngathi mama bheka ithi ngithatha igap year after matric ngidedicate leso sikhathi kwibhola if akuhlangani understand hayi izinto zahlangana fast and manje ngisanokuthi nje ngihleli nje oledi angivele ngithumele mastina nje mhlawumbe akhele naye cold drinks ngizakubona mangishaya understand le yami isanokufuna boy 6 nyana understand so uthi womile Friday abo esistina nje ngabona
ama benefits of umzalo Kenja mabona before siyabe sesivala nje you go to Cape Town ngafika la kine cream lapha nabo vet boy futhi nabo cream tulansirero no fortune macaring ngitshele ntanga 10 kid not amafika not mafika lapha ntakwenzakalani mafika lapha first day I think to 10 kid because of ngasho ukuthi we the biggest player la kunabo malo skipper ledlala right back umkhizi ngitshele ntanga labantu laba babona into ezibhaya abana national team go lapha hle banayo yonke and vet boy is a big thing now in South Africa
mangifika mina la ngithathwa ubani Taforge uFortune yabo bengazi ukuthi uFortune uphuma la
hayi ucaba
bengazi because mangibiza kasi khambani kasi Taforge wena uphuma phela ngifela la spirit mfethu Taforge ulamo sona yini from now Taforge mfethu hang like this mfethu like I guidance engitholile especially not kwizinto ze disc phela but empilweni you understand because ngubani mina ongekamamela uFortune mfethu uFortune udlalile understand udlalile uFortune uyenzile imali kumina yenze bekafuna ukuye i-legend uFortune understand so izinto ezikanje mfethu mfethu khona bokamhelo mukhojo understand
cabanga wena udlala naye la emanzi esikingeni baba cabanga kuno cream ngayi ngaphezulu
so motivation leyo mase gymini bese ngihlala phambi okay manje aku first team egymini ngihlala phambi bekuyimi ngapha uTaforge ngapha umcoach yabo ukuthi ngisarande experience ngisarande i-guidance nje esharp understand so abomcoach bazokutshela ukuthi mfethu thina sidlalile understand ungasiboni thina sikhekheleza kanje gym ngicabanga ukuthi nawe mina ukhekheleza understand so nami yangimotivate sometimes unokubona abo thathi bani for example Hashim Domingo magijima mfethu lo muntu uyafaka mfethu Domingo udlala eSundowns mfethu Domingo udlala eAlgeria mfethu understand so wena big player wena mawuzofuna ukukhekheleza gym lo muntu lo ohola kanje makwazi ukugijima kanje wena uhlulwa
yini ezokhuluma
understand so izinto ezinjalo ezimotivate ukuthi mfethu angeke mfethu Hashim Domingo azogijima kanje ahola imali eningi kanje mina
ngizizwe menza ukuthi enzeka
understand
obviously ufuna ukudlala naye
mfethu lapho uba motivated mfethu
so the signing of Cream obvious mafia wena umfikele ekuqala uCream
ngifike ekuqala
yafika uCream naye ukhule wazi ukuthi hayi baba mfana phethu magic sinoma ubani ochiptisa uBusquets omlalise line shaka izamba noma walala ngalo so manje mafika eHotman elithini
mfethu maka ba confirm signing yakhe Instagram ngihlena lendwana uSpear uEmile hleno Emile siyasiringela nje thi mangi-refresh page le-IG mfethu kiye bayiconfirmile ngithiwe mfethu asesiyaringana Cream you understand
Cream
yonke mfethu because uzila azojima yena nathi understand but then after that wayojima ne-Chiefs you understand so mina yasho ukuthi mfethu umthole nebatlame mfethu awena Arispiro awadlala should be sekaqava understand ngithe mangithi anayi bayiconfirmile mfethu following day masifike ejimi na groupman elisharp mfethu hayi liya ngifuna njalo ayiphethe liya ifike ngeskuter se3 wheel ejimini
akusinoma ba yo hayi
fika ngeskuter se3 wheel ejimini urelaxile
naras
mfethu lawuthi liyangazi mfethu lidlala kanjani ibhola mfethu ngathi namehlo lana mfethu nala mfethu ngathi noma iliphasa ngathi ayifuni ubheke ubone ukuthi alela ligcola ngafika mara ufike la ivele iliphasa ngathi ayifuni nje noma ishine isithele nje ithi abafethu
abanye abantu baphi
no cream yaldizelwa
cream inamazi
no cream
angeke ngana liyana yo na uyayibona le khona la video bengiyibona iliteka no email yaliteka le na yalibona le iteka ngakhona yabo ngeke akusateki yena lo siteki experience
mara kulama anchor la beswaphethe mina ngikhala ngitshena bafethu abona umkotsho bafethu
kama
abona umkotsho bafethu umkotsho bafethu
awuyazi ni kanjani so ngitshele nje kunabo Jalen Rhodes dane which is Jalen Rhodes na under
under intwana na
nabo Rhodes no Rhodes aspam nasketcher
nasketcher
yes ine energy la ngana so manbuya dana untwana bamkhethanga for national team le under 20 makazi inhlanhla mangana
no but angisho yena I think u04 uRhodes una 21 already so bengingakho
so ngitshele ke njalo ngifuna uya njengoba bedlala ama playoffs now bona bachita bakhala la nani lento le mawubheke lo Vegas now kuwabhekile lonke ama playoffs so lento le kwenzini
ngikhathile sibali ngikhathile because njengoba ngisho kuwe bekumele siye China hawu wafika ama covid AFCON game time angitholi ngicela ukusayina kahle Cape Town City siya relegate like ngiyazibuza why mina I understand but then banento ukuthi it's not about me mfethu
it's about
the club you understand because mfethu sinama chita talented la sinabo Emil mfethu khona ezinye intwana la adlala ka under 17 national team abo Josh abo abulele intwana nje engikuthi nazo mazikhula angeke uyisho ukudlalela i-national team ekubeni team yakho i-team Mthimpe Foundation understand hayi ukuthi ngiya-offend Mthimpe Foundation but akekho umuntu ofuna ukudlala ku-second division sonke sifuna ukudlala top flight
so now ikwenzeni la iding wena nje to think ukuthi nesani no ngicela ukusayina sisirelegate ayifika ngalento ukuthi na maybe nama bathi squats sa riding what if bangkhathi or riding le ayukazi ifike la
ngikhathi I feel because bangitshela span if uspanile
ngishaka kahle into
kahle span sakho and ucontent ukuthi uzamile ngcono uhluleke uzamile than ukuthi uhluleke ukuzama understand so mina benginganalo into leyo ukuthi I'm mfethu angeke ngibizwe pre-season first team or nakhona if abangibizi it's God's will but mina
ngipushile ngendlela
into bekumele ngiyenzile ngihappy we understand time lambe kathandazela lezo zinto ngimthi amfethu kixoya pre-season relax amfethu izolo lakhili ke manginayo kwangena imessage ukuthi mfethu wena sobukhela ama flight nini sifuna ama size wama bathini amasuti track suit kit angithola because so yaku pre-season nge14 but into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi bengingathukanga
and mina I believe ukuthi Cape Town City angeke last la season e1 they're going back to PSL next season because I don't think they will sell players or because of the aim is to go back to PSL kahle akusabantu abayohlala lapha fana ne SuperSport is just unfortunate to be bayithengisa abantu basho ngakhona rumors asho kanjalo
seyithengile sekuyisiwe lele United Celtic United somewhere la but yona bayithengile yona SuperSport gone
so you see intonyana ezikanjalo but then I don't think mina ididing Cape Town City uzoblomara
no sinethemba ukuthi if uchairman ufuna ukuthenga athenge, if akathengi so spana nathi. So spana sibuyisa club la eBillong ngakhona because angifuna ukushasha i-franchise enkulu eCape Town City.
Cape Town City quality.
Yabo franchise enkulu.
Yo ntanga phela mawuthi yapeka ntanga ngiyayibona zonke tasisibiza ba. Darren Kid. Tangalo amatala lo vima ngathi umntana omncane lo. Ilanza malelia.
Mfethu.
Darren Kid. Tanga ubhekana kuma playoffs ama save ngasho umntana amatala lo sese fresh. But yeah, it's football njalo. Kanjani sesivala ke njalo yabona.
Yeah.
What would you say to youth yasekhaya njalo to advise them uthini? Yenzeka riding much it's possible because of now you're from Dusty Street of Thokoza, but now you somewhere there you playing with names that just curiosity mfethu. It's unfortunate nje ukuthi nami ngikutshelile njalo awuthi sibone nathi imira le yamampela bazobele. So what would you say to them njalo?
No, mina amachita ngawatshela ukuthi sacrifice, hard work, nenhlonipho, being humble, siyakusipanela understand. Mamela abazali njalo. Mamela abazali angeke bakulahlekise. Akekho umuntu ofuna what's best for them more than umzali wakho. Understand umzali wakho ngeke akulahlekise. Spana, hloniphe, be humble. Mamela abazali mfethu. And then esikela sibalekile bafethu. Isikela sibalekile nazinto engayitshela abachita. Or choose abangani abagrand. Bangani babalekile nabo too much because uzothi maybe ejimini umngani akushasha mthunyana ntwana.
Show me your friends, I'll show you a few.
Yeah, understand.
Yeah.
Because now kulendlela le I lost a lot of friends. You understand? Abantu ukuthi bebangahambiselani nepath yami mfethu. Understand? Mina ngifuna ukuyale, wena ufuna uyale. Hayi ukuthi nginamakwala nabo. Understand? If it's just that we don't eat from the same table anymore, but then ngiyafuna ukubona udla nawe eze out yami ngikhulu na. Understand? Wena ufuna lento leya, nami ngifuna lento leya.
I think ngakutshela riding leyo opula.
Yeah, nomsizo wangilayitisa ngamachita ukuthi kumele ngikhethe amachita.
So you see yabona kakhona abachita abakhona
abafundisi. Yeah.
Izibaya njalo. Bafethu sesiva diskichilas bafethu. You see bafethu genzeka. Dusty Street of Thokoza national team under 20 captain won 2 trophies in one season. Ngitshele nje. Genzeka bafethu and sibonge bafethu to those who have subscribed and to those who are subscribed, please subscribe guys so that the channel grows man. Kube into enkulu abana so that we can do more and bring more yabantu abagrand abazokhuluma advice because of this platform. It's not just for each and every it's ukuthi bafundise abantwana and to those who are upcoming nabo lesise abadalanyana 27 28 ngitshele 20 years of age sanela ngezinga ngitshele what's coming in the next 5 years uzomazi laphi unomngane okhuluma naye manje somewhere in Europe uproot ngitshele playing UEFA. So you see into kanjalo it's something that motivates abantu bafethu. And Bafethu, please subscribe to our channel.
Bafethu, like, comment, mara important subscription Bafethu. Tell and subscribe Bafethu.
Bafethu. Isesiva la ngithini mina asibonge siphinde sithokoze. Mangathokoza ngathi na yophinda kuthokoze. Danko.
Bayazi nickname yakho yaPanado.
Okay, Panado.
Sabi.
Panado. Yeah.